Okay, propagation of the grape day to prune some of these suckers back for more of a growth. I can barely see what I'm doing here. Oh, they are sharp. This is my hop. It's hard to tell what's in here. I'm gonna just be careful. Main thing is get the grapes growing. I usually cut back 2-3 nodules here or so. Not much more. Some of that's gonna get stuck up in here because nature of the beast, so I don't want to be doing that yet. Some of this dead wood too in here, you can see it. I should do a better job than this. Man, they're sharp. You're gonna have a lot of tomatoes we're gonna be putting in. Yeah, see, we weren't going to take a ton of these. Just enough to propagate or growth. Man, these things are sharp. And looks like about it, don't it?
Yep.
That's live wood there, so that's dead wood there. Yeah. Dead wood. Most of the good ones. Feeders. Down to some green wood. That's some good feeders here, so we're gonna get that dead stuff off of there. Cut back till we got some live wood. We got a good start on the grapes, so yeah, we got some good cutbacks. All right. All right. Got the majority of them cut, so she's cold out here. And we got the rest of the garden's a mess. Can't do nothing with that yet. We got some snow coming in. March 26th it is. We got the grapes pruned back though. It's cold out here. Like I say, we got snow moving in. So I get out here and do some work eventually. I'm checking on the tomatoes. They're coming in nice. They look like they're on their second leaf. This one don't look too hot. And I don't know what's with the lettuce. I don't like it out here. I think I'm going to put these outside or something. They're just not making it. This one here is going outside. Now we come out here, this is 2 weeks later on the tomato plants, and you can see how they greened up and got even taller. And we got to get them in the ground shortly. Hopefully we won't get a frost.